Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In this video, we will learn how to add background to image in Photoshop. Once we run Photoshop, go to the folder in where your photo is saved, then drag it and drop it in Photoshop. Make sure contextual taskbar is shown, and if not, then go to Windows menu, then make sure contextual taskbar is enabled. Now click on Remove Background to remove the background behind the subject. Once the background is removed, click on Import Background. Then select the background photo. Then click on Place. Tap and hold spacebar plus Alt key, then click to zoom out. Then you can move and resize the background the way you want. Once you are satisfied, click on Done. Tap and hold Control key plus spacebar, then click to zoom in. We can also blur the background by going to Filter menu, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur parameter the way you want. Then click on OK button. If the edges of your subject are still not perfect, then select your subject's layer. Then click on Select Subject. Once the subject is selected, click on Modify Selection button, then choose Select and Mask. Inside Select and Mask window, increase Smooth and Feather parameters a little bit, then decrease Shift Edge to adjust the selection as shown. Then click on OK. Now we need to inverse the selection to remove the outer edge. So go to Select menu, then choose Inverse. Tap Delete key on the keyboard to remove the edge. Click on Deselect to deselect. To export your work, go to File menu, Export, then select Export for Web. Select JPEG and set the quality to maximum. Then click on Save. Give your photo a new name, then click on Save. Once your photo is saved, you will find it inside the folder. That's it. Now you are a big master in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.